Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can gift passes or even items on Dress to Impress. To gift items, you're just going to go to the section, well, in passes. For instance, you want to gift a game pass, like custom makeup. Select this item, and you do need to buy more gift props first, just like buy more, and then you're just going to purchase the prop. Once you've done that, you're just going to select the person you want to gift it to and just select gift. And that's that's pretty much the same with the item as well. And yeah, that is how you can give item and passes on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.